Hello. So this application called Recurring Purchase Order Agreement allows you to select a date of period where you can recur a particular purchase order again and again every week or month. You can choose all the details and a purchase order will be generated on that particular day for that particular vendor for a particular product. So let's see how that's possible. So for that, first we will go to purchase. Here we will go to configurations and settings. Here we will enable the option called Recurring Purchase Order Agreement. So once that is enabled, under configurations, you'll be able to see a new menu called Recurring Purchase Order Agreement. So we will go there and we will create a new recurring purchase order. After doing so, you can name this. Let's say I'm naming this as every week. You can select a particular purchase order which you want to recur. So let's say I am choosing this particular purchase order. And you can also get notifications. A particular user can also get notifications. So notifications will be sent via email. So you can get an email on a particular day when the purchase order will be getting recurred. So you can get the notification. I have added the name here, and you can choose how often you want to execute this. So you want to execute this after one day, week, or month. You can choose that. So let's say I'm choosing here 1 week. My start date would be 23rd, and my stop date would be, I can choose any date I wish. And as soon as I selected the purchase order, my products for that particular purchase order were automatically generated, were automatically fetched. So you can see that over here, and I can save this. So once you have added all the details, you can click on process, and this particular recurring purchase order request will be under process, and it will go on until 21st September. So let's see how this looks. So before that, I will show you how it looks on the email side. So if I go to my email, and here email, you can see the date of the purchase order, the first purchase order that was going to get recurred. So you can see that date, and here you can see the information that is that addresses to Mitchell, and you can also view the purchase order directly from here. So this is how the email notifications will be sent. Now, if we go to our purchase orders, so if I go to my purchase orders, sorry. Okay, so here you can see I have generated a purchase order for so and so date. This is the particular product. So I can confirm this order from here, and the particular purchase order will be sent to the particular vendor once you click the option of send by email. So this is how you can generate multiple purchase orders every week or day or monthly basis for particular products, and you can send those, confirm those, and send those via email to so and so vendors. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below, and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.